Hi all, let us revise the addition of fractions. First of all, we want to discuss the addition of like fractions. What are like fractions? In like fractions, the denominators are same. Here 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. They are like fractions. Here what we want to do? We want to add the numerator. That means 3 plus 1 by 5. Then it is 4 by 5. Another example, 8 by 11 plus 2 by 11. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 by 11. Then next, if mixed fractions are there, what we want to do? Mixed fractions. It is 3 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 5. How we convert? 3 1 by 5 is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 into 5 plus 1 is 16 by 5. 2 1 by 5 is 2 into 5 plus 1 is 11 by 5. Then we want to add 16 by 5 plus 11 by 5 equal 27 by 5. Again we want to convert into mixed fraction. 27 by 5 is an improper fraction. So 27 divided by 5. Quotient is 5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. How we can write? Quotient 5. 2 by 5. 2 is the remainder divided by the divisor. So 5 2 by 5. Then again 8 1 by 7 plus 3 1 by 7. Converting into improper fraction. 8 7s are 56 plus 1 57 by 7 plus 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22 by 7. Adding 57 and 22 we will get 79 by 7. Again we want to convert into mixed fraction. Divide 79 by 7. So 11 7s are 77. 2 is the remainder. Then 11 2 by 7. Then next 9 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 3. 9 1 by 3 is 28 by 3 plus 13 by 3. Then 28 by 3 plus 13 by 3, adding 41 by 3. Then convert into mixed fraction 13 2 by 3. Then how we can subtract the integers? The same method, instead of addition we want to subtract. First we want to check for like fractions. 4 by 7 and 2 by 7. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 by 7. 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. 8 minus 3, 5, 5 by 11. Next 10 1 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. 10 1 by 5 is 51 by 5 minus 11 by 5. 51 minus 11, that is 40. 40 by 5 is equal to 8. Then 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 is 7 by 2 and 2 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. 7 minus 5, 2, 2 by 2. So it is 1. Another one, 5 1 by 7 minus 3 2 by 7. 36 by 7 minus 23 by 7. 13 by 7. That is 1 6 by 7. Then how we can add unlike fractions? Here some more examples are there. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Denominators are different. Here we want to cross multiply it. Here this is a symbol. So this is fraction. This is also fraction. Then cross multiply it. This is the way. And the denominator also. So 3 into 7 cross multiplication. 3 into 7 plus, this is the symbol plus, and 2 into 5 divided by 5 into 7. 3 into 7 21 plus 2 into 5 10 by 35. That is 31 by 35. Next 2 by 11 plus 3 by 7. 2 into 7 plus 3 into 11 by 11 into 7. 2 7s are 14 plus 33 by 77. It is 47 by 77. Next 9 by 10 plus 2 by 3. 9 into 3 plus 2 into 10 by 10 into 3. So 27 plus 20 by 30. It is 47 by 30. Then subtraction of unlike fractions. 11 by 12 minus 3 by 5. 11 into 5 minus 3 into 12. The same as in the addition of unlike fractions. Instead of addition, here it is the subtraction. 11 into 5 minus 3 into 12 by 12 into 5. 55 minus 36 by 60. That is 19 by 60. 15 by 19 minus 2 by 7. 15 into 7 minus 19 into by 19 into 7. Cross multiplication. 15 into 7 minus 19 into 2. So it is 105 minus 38 by 133. So it is 67 by 133. So let us do some more questions. 3 1 by 2 plus 6 1 by 5. 3 1 by 2 is 7 by 2 plus 6 1 by 5, 31 by 5. Cross multiplication. 7 into 5 plus 2 into 31 by 2 into 5. 35 plus 62 by 10. That is 97 by 10. 8 1 by 4 minus 7 1 by 5. 33 by 4 minus 36 by 5. Cross multiply. 33 into 5. 33 into 5 minus 4 into 36. 33 into 5 is 165 minus 144 by 20. 4 into 5, 20. After subtracting, we will get 22 by 20, cancelling both by 2. 11 2s are 22, 10 2s are 20. So the answer is 11 by 20. 11 by 10. Then 8 1 by 7 plus 2 1 by 3. 57 by 7 plus 7 by 3. 57 into 3, cross multiplication. 57 into 3 plus 7 into 7 by 7 into 3. So 171 plus 49 by 21. That is 220 by 21.